I'm undefeated, yeah, I'm one of the best. Like Weezy said, I got no stress. There's a lot of haters, but I ain't mad at them. Think that big shit until they end up like Adam. Come from me, there gonna be some swinging and tossing. You ain't afraid of me till you end up like Austin. I ain't talking shit, I'm just saying what I do. Go ahead and get mad, but I'ma still be true. I'm 13 and 0. So try to be flat, try to argue with me and get your face smacked. Bitch nigga or a hoe, you still gon' get hit. I don't like to hit ladies, but I ain't gon' deal with they shit. Think your heart don't look good, like Zach's brother Joe. Zach saw a mouth full of Zords like, whoa. People fear me cause the way I spit my shit. You diss my shit, I split your shit. Think I'm a joke? I ain't no joke. Let me smoke and then get your face broke. I don't think I'm bad, I know I am. 3 hits in a fight, I punch knee and a slam. My dreams are one day to fight in the cage. UFC is for me, I'm just not of age. I got the skill, I was born to fight. So jab with a left and uppercut with the right. You laughing now, but I'ma show you what I'm about. It only take one hit to put you out.